You are watching Chaser Express. This is the extension version of the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, then please watch it and then you can easily understand this video. In the previous one we have discussed how infrared-based automated thermal scanning system easily detect the temperature of a person without any human help, and then sanitizer spraying disinfected gateway tunnel easily sanitizing more people in less time. Now we will discuss what can happen in the previous one, and we will solve it in this video with some modification and adding some advanced IoT-based technology. In our previous video you can saw that after thermal scanning the person was sent to the hospital for COVID-19 test by health authority. Now here two scenarios can be possible. After thermal scanning the person may go to the hospital for COVID-19 test or may not go to the hospital and escape from that place and hide himself. Now if the person escapes from that place, then it's very difficult to find out the person details and track the person's location, and it is quite impossible to find out that person. To overcome this problem we introduce an IoT-based microcontroller-operated automated hand sanitizing spraying machine comprising of hand drying system with an advanced fingerprint scanning biometric panel. Our proposed work is incorporated into 3 sections. In the first section we introduce a microcontroller-operated automated hand sanitizing spraying machine which will sanitize any person's hand before starting the biometric process and sanitize the hand completely before going to the next section. After that we introduce a hand drying system which will completely dry person's hand. Then we introduce a fingerprint scanning biometric panel which will be used for storing the data and fetching the information of the person in the different conditions. To understand our proposed system, first we will describe it by working animated video model, then we will describe it with the help of proposed flow chart and circuit diagram. Now let's see the working animated video model. Here you can see that before going to the thermal scanning, the person will see a new system for hand sanitizing and fingerprint scanning. Without doing this, the thermal scanning process will not start. Then person will move towards that system. After that, please place your hand here message will be printed on the LCD screen, and then the person will place his hand into the automated hand sanitizing spraying machine. Now you can see that PIR sensor detects the presence of person's hand. After that sanitization process will start. Now here you can see that sanitizer is sprayed in the form of fog just like perfumes fall on the person's hand, and it will completely sanitize and sterilize the person's hand. After that the hand drying system will completely dry out the hand. Then fingerprint scanning biometric panel will be opened after complete sanitization, and then it will scan the fingerprint of that person. After that fingerprint scanning done message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Without complete fingerprint scanning, the thermal scanning process of the next section will not begin. After verified fingerprint scanning the person will go for infrared-based automated thermal scanning system. Now after thermal scanning, if the temperature of the person is greater than 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, then the biometric information of that person will be stored in our database and the person will be asked to go hospital for COVID-19 test. Now after every 1 hour each hospital of that area will be asked to update the COVID-19 test result along with their biometric information of each and every person in our web server. After every 5 hours our system will automatically check the web server and match the hospital's test result information with the database and easily find out which person did not go to the hospital for COVID-19 test. Then from biometric we will get the address of that person from the government proof Aadhaar card, and we'll get the phone number associated with that Aadhaar card. Then our system will send the details of that person to the nearest police station. Now we can also get the information of most visited place by the person in last 2 to 3 weeks from the telecommunication operator. So from this information we can say that those places may be infected with COVID-19 and warn the people of those places immediately. This whole project is done by Sandeep Kumar Karmakar and Tanika Das. Thank you for watching this video.